Where to buy the egg tart?
Yes.
Where is it? Nagka-crave ako ng egg tart na sobrang sarap. So, magpasama ako sa alaga kasi hindi ko alam kung saan. Sobrang sarap kasi. Here? This way? Are you sure?
Yeah. Come there.
Galing kaming school. Sinundo ko siya. Say hi.
Hi.
Where you go?
To buy egg tart.
Yay! Hindi ko alam kung saan. Susunod lang ako sa kanya. Are you sure?
Yes, there.
Where?
We still have egg tart.
Wow!
Faster.
Tumatakbo. Parang walang egg tart. Ito kasi yung gusto namin. Sobrang sarap. 3 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Or 9 o'clock. Your favorite.
Wala kaming egg tart na nabili kasi 12:23 pa lang ngayon. Kasi kailangan antayin 3 o'clock. May bagong luto. So, siguro babalik kami. Hindi ako sure kung babalik kami. Kasi malapit lang naman dito sa bahay namin.
Well, let's go back.
Let's go back home?
Huh?
Let's go back home?
Where can we go?
Where you want to go?
I want to go to.
Huh?
I want to go to like
We go
I
back
can
home
fly.
first.
No, I can fly.
We go back home first and then I will buy later, okay?
No, I can fly.
Oh my god.
Fly out. I can fly. We go to buy egg tart, guys.
Hold nicely, man.
Like that.
Like that. Like that.
Huh?
Like that. Ah, straight. Yes. We go to buy egg tart. Our favorite.
And we still have Coke.
Huh? Cuckoo. Cooks.
It's like
How to-
smelly.
Huh?
Cow.
Coco or cow?
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo?
And actually, if that's Chinese, it is smelly.
Chow, right? Chow. What's that? How to?
Smelly.
Huh?
Smelly.
Smelly in Chinese?
Yeah.
Smelly? So
Means
why you eat
smelly.
there? Why you eat there?
Smelly. I don't know. Ooh. Actually, this thing is Cuckoo.
3:11 p.m. Babalik kami kasi bibili kami ng egg tart.
Yes. The Pokemon and Cinemario collection.
Sobrang kulit. So next time pupunta na ako mag-isa dito kung gusto kong kakain ng egg tart. Kasi sobrang sarap talaga. Hinanap-hanap ko talaga. Ang problema dyan, kung naubusan na kami ng egg tart kasi sobrang dami na bumibili at sobrang haba daw ng pila ni sabi ng amo ko. Ayan o, bumili siya ng egg tart. Ewan ko kung may natira pa. Kasi daming bumibili. First time ko kasi pumunta dito. Ayun na.
No, there's no more.
May pila na. Oh my god. Temporary egg tart. Egg tart temporary sold out. Sorry. Egg tart temporary sold out. Sorry. Sorry. Uh-oh. Wala na.
At least
Tomorrow again. Okay? Where?
the bread.
Okay. Go. So, bibili na lang siya ng iba.
The chocolate.
This one?
The
chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate.
Ito ang binili niya. Wala na kasing egg tart. So, try namin ulit tomorrow kung merong egg tart. Bye! Say bye! Bye!